Welcome to DAIS Corporation, developers of nanotechnology plastic materials and products which use them. A key commercial product we are selling is Conserve, a fixed-plate energy recovery ventilator, or ERV for short. I'm Brian Johnson, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at the DAIS Corporation. Let me paint a picture for you about what we can do at DAIS, and then get to a great product called Conserve. At DAIS, we make a new form of nanotechnology polymer membrane with unique features that we call Aqualite. We use these features to design and sell newer or industry-changing products. These products use our nanopolymer to replace inefficient energy-consuming components found in today's products, such as pumps, motors, and the like. Okay, let's jump into the amazing ways Aqualite improves heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Conserve can be installed on most heating and cooling systems, and its benefits are wide-ranging. Conserve is proven to attack carbon dioxide emissions, lower ongoing operational energy costs by 20 to 67% for your air heating and cooling, lower the capital cost of newer heating and cooling equipment by up to 33% because the plastic material is doing most of the work. This allows us to raise the amount of fresh air to meet aggressive new ventilation standards at lower costs. Here's how Conserve works. When you bring fresh air into the building, you must make room for it, so you end up throwing away the stale air which came into the building earlier. Well, money was spent heating or cooling and modifying the humidity levels of that air that's now being pushed out of the building. With Conserve, we reuse that energy in the stale air to precondition the incoming air before it reaches your air conditioner. How do we do that? When the incoming fresh air and the old stale air pass through Conserve, they stay on opposite sides of our special Aqualite material, a thin plastic material that has no holes in it, but will move water molecules and heat from one airstream to the other. So as the two airflows pass near each other, they exchange heat and humidity. And because the thin layer is solid, no odors or pathogens can come into the new air. Here's a demonstration. We are simulating a hot and humid environment with fresh air coming into the Conserve at 92 degrees and 90 units of moisture. As the fresh air goes through Conserve, its temperature and moisture content move closer to the air being exhausted. So after traveling through the Conserve core, the air entering the heating and cooling equipment is now 80 degrees and 74 units of moisture. It's impressive. Flowing air over a smart plastic material makes it cooler and drier. This change reduces carbon dioxide emissions because the electric utility does not need to produce as much electricity, therefore helping to combat climate change. Because your heating and cooling systems run less, operational costs decrease, and the system lasts longer. This same increase in efficiency allows a new heating cooling system to be up to 1/3 smaller, saving you as much as 33% on the cost of a new system. And the last benefit, Conserve raises the volume of indoor fresh air, which meets ventilation codes, helps those suffering from allergies and asthma. Conserve also deactivates 99% of pathogens, including COVID-19, that come into contact with its surface. And many recent studies show more fresh air improves your decision-making abilities and productivity. In closing, Conserve has received numerous awards. Its performance claims are certified by key industry third parties worldwide. It is scalable and has the flexibility to meet almost any heating or cooling system need. It has over 40,000 units in operation and has an impressive list of benefits that is second to none. Conserve will change the way you think about heating and cooling. For all of us at DAIS, thank you for your interest.
For more information about the solutions we provide, visit our website at biz-reps.com.